The recording tool offers the possibility of recording the full transport stream from the demodulated signal being tuned. In the same window, we are provided with the following details. In the left area of the panel, we can see the file duration and size. And in the right area, we can find the instrument's total memory and free memory available. To initiate the recording, just press on the circular red button. To stop the recording, press again the now rectangular red button. You can find the recorded file going to the Workspace and filtering by file type and the analyzer mode in which you took the recording.